Hey Tim.
Are we going?
Yeah, let's go.
All right. Hello everybody, Tim here at Qu'appelle Motor Products in Qu'appelle with a pretty special truck. It's not quite new, but damn close. It's a 2019 Toyota Tacoma with only 22 and a bit thousand kilometers on it. Come check it out. Come closer, Eric. Beautiful shape. The guy really took care of this. When it came in, we didn't even have to detail it because he detailed it for us before he handed us the keys. Pretty cool guy. It's got 3M over the whole front. Well, film anyway. Film on the mirrors, film on the door cups, sills, everything. He made sure it was well taken care of. It's a double cab, pretty decent space in the back. And this is kind of cool. These flip up. Got some storage bins underneath. Hide some stuff. Boom. Sweet. These Tacomas are nice trucks. I like them. It's got a nice package. It's a sport package, so it's got the black emblems, you know, some fancier rims. Got a tonneau cover over the back. It's a long box, 5.5 foot box. Lots of options, heated seats, navigation, power everything. It's a nice truck. 2019, 22,000 K, and we're only asking 48 and change for it. If you want to see this or anything else, come on down or give us a call, 332-6614. Thanks.